Hello, my wonderful friends, viewers, and my dear subscribers. This is your host Asad Shah. A delight welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and my lovely viewers, how are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day and with a smile on your face. My dear friends, this is our YouTube channel, Fashion Addiction, and we hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion, and we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling and based on the feedback you are submitting. So my dear friends, today I am gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of printed bodycon dresses and midi dresses for women. These dresses designs and colors are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. These dresses are so comfortable and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry in formal or casual events. So my dear friends, a humble request to all of my lovely viewers to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. Friends, it's a saying that nothing delights us more than seeing us in a very beautiful outfit standing right front to the mirror. As much as we enjoy crafting fresh style ideas for you, nothing delights us more than seeing our viewers and subscribers giving us their feedback. So friends and fans, don't ever feel shy to comment. We will always try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. So friends and viewers, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. We hope you must loved our content and be a more supportive to us and make a like. Watch this video completely, enjoy it, share it with your friends and families. I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer any of your query as soon as possible. Watch this video completely, enjoy it, share it with your friends and families. And friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all guys.